Hi there and welcome to Brayley Mazda in Milton, Keynes. This is a walk around demonstration video of the BMW 218D Sport Auto WN16XZM. So in this video I'm going to be showing you the general condition of the vehicle, pointing out some of the main features of this vehicle as well. As it is a sport, it is the mid-range of the 218, or the 2 Series range shall I say. So I'm just going to show you some of the features you get on that. First of all, as you can see, you get the upgraded alloy wheels on this model, so you get the diamond cut alloy wheels just there. Moving on down, so as you can see, it's got the 5-door MPV body styling to this 2 Series. Rear alloys just there as well. Again, continuing round, vehicle's got a lovely spec on this one with the wheels as well as the actual body panels themselves. Looks like a great looking vehicle. On the back you've got the rear sensors just there, and then you got your badge just to confirm 218D just there. Again, continuing round, showing you the rear alloy just there, and also as you can see the vehicle's finished off in this great metallic silver. Showing you the front alloy just there as well. And there's the exterior of the vehicle. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to show you the interior and also the boot. So here we are with the boot of the 2 Series. So there's a couple of ways to open this boot, as it is an electronically opening boot on this model. So you can either press the button underneath the badge, that'll open it electronically. You have a button in the door sill, which I'll show you on the interior shots of the vehicle in a few minutes. That can also be opened from the driver's seat, so it makes it a little bit more practical for family use. You also have a button on the key, as you can see just there, which I will use on this instance. So if I press and hold, the boot will open electronically for me. And here we are with the boot. So it's an impressive size boot on this model. You have the original manufacturer mats in there, as well as the tow hook just there. You have a button for the seat releases at the front just there as well. So if I show you, so you pull back this button and you can see both seats do collapse just down there as well. And then underneath the floor you have a separate floor just under there as well for some extra storage just there. I'm going to move on to the interior of the vehicle now. So here we are with the interior. So just like the exterior, for the mileage the vehicle has been kept in great condition, and as you can see, a very spacious rear seating arrangement in this model, easily enough to fit 3 adults in the back with comfort. You also have ISOFIX points on both rear seats for child seats, as you can see. Rear air conditioning in there as well. Then moving on to the front. First of all, as I mentioned on the boot, there's the button for the boot release when you're in the driver's seat. And then, just like the rear, the front seats have been kept in immaculate condition, upholstered in this premium cloth interior with this nice design on there. Gives you a more sporty look. It is part bucket seat, so it gives you that sporty feel, as BMWs are known for. You also have on these seats the thing BMW are known for, which is the extendable and retractable leg positioning just there as well. You also have some electric controls for the seats as well. What I'll do now is I'll move on to the interior specification and show you some of the features. So here we are on the interior of the BMW. So first of all I'm going to show you some of the features, starting off with the keyless start system. So as long as the key is inside the vehicle, foot on the brake, press the button and the vehicle starts straight up, as you can see. First thing to note is the mileage, so 69,159 miles. So the vehicle has averaged a good average for miles over the past 5 years, coming up to 6 years now, so around 12,000 miles a year is the average what the previous owner currently did. So again, some of the features, so you have your limiter just there as on the steering wheel with your controls, as well as your radio controls and your media controls. You've got your automatic wipers just there, headlight controls, which are also there because you have automatic headlights in this model with front and rear fog lights. Controls for your electrically adjusted door mirrors, as well as your electric window controls as well. Got your main entertainment screen, so you've got your multimedia controls, so your CD, external devices. You also have radio, DAB, FM, built-in navigation with this model. As you can see, BMW system is a good system for sat-nav. Vehicle information. So again, you can see the vehicle has been kept in great condition on there. See all the service history here as well for the car. So again, the vehicle's been very well maintained by the previous owner. Got a CD player just there with the controls for your radio. Some extra compartment for your phone down there. Dual zone air conditioning. There's your controls for your BMW automatic system with different drive modes just behind. Electric handbrake. Controls for your media system. And then you've got a couple cup holders and an armrest just there, which is unfoldable for a little bit more storage, as well as a USB connection auxiliary underneath. And this also opens up for a little bit more storage again. I hope this gives you a little bit more insight into the vehicle itself. If you are interested in having a look at this vehicle in a bit more detail and would like to come and test drive, then please contact us on the detail below and visit our page to book a test drive and speak to one of us. Thank you very much for calling, and speak to you soon. Thank you.